Hello. Today we are going to learn to tie shoelaces. Tying shoelaces helps us put on our shoes by ourselves. Watch me first. Hold one lace in each hand. Cross them. Make a loop and pull tight. Look. Try. Pull. Now it's your turn. Round 1. Hold. Cross. Loop. Pull tight. Good job. Round 2. Hold. Cross. Loop. Pull. Nice work. Round 3. Hold the laces. Cross. Loop. Pull tight. Great. Ready? Round 4. Hold. Cross. Loop. Pull. Super. Last one. Round 5. Hold. Cross. Loop. Pull. Fantastic. You tied your shoe 5 times. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are amazing at tying your shoes. High five. See you next time. See you next time. Wave goodbye. Bye-bye.